Now let me show you how to quickly optimize your entire website with just one prompt. Now this is really simple. So whatever plugin that you're using, if you're using rankmath, using all-in-one SEO or Yoast, you can just tell Claude to fully optimize the entire website. So I'm using the rankmath plugin. Fully SEO optimize the entire website, titles, meta tags, add interlinking, and so on. And then I'll go ahead and run this prompt. And boom, so it fully SEO optimized the entire website. It also sets pages on my website to no index, such as the style guide, the coming soon, and the form. So it really knows its stuff, to be honest. And we can test this out by going to our website and going to edit page. And now checking the rankmath plugin here at the top. If I click on this, you will now see they fully SEO optimized the entire snippets with the title and then also the description here as well. Now, some of the other useful things it can do is create plugins. Now, you don't need to create like the next big plugin for WordPress, but you can just create plugins based off your own website needs. For instance, I created this one plugin right here. This is an AI website health summary. I also created a plugin to disable all of the Elementor ads. So in the installed section, if you see this plugin right here, this was created by Darrel Wilson. And what this does is if you go over here and you look at Elementor, it has gotten rid of all the ads. So there's no more notices begging me to upgrade to the Pro. There's also no notices about the Elementor 1 plan or the Hello Elementor theme. I just want to use the page builder, So in this specific case, I disabled all of the ads. And I also created my own booking plugin called Swift Booking. Now, I got to change the name of this. I think I'm changing it to Bokora, but I created this whole entire plugin just through vibe coding, and it's really useful. So for instance, just to give you a quick little example, over here under forms, if I go over here to edits, so here's the actual booking plugin, and we can adjust the style right here. We can also make this compact, and then also we can change like the colors and everything. It's really fast and easy. So for example, they'll just click on something, next step, next step. Here we go, next step, and there you go. Now, the last thing I want to talk about is Novamira Pro. Now, Novamira Pro, first let me scroll up here. Novamira Pro essentially has a bunch of built-in MCPs and skills for a variety of page builders and themes, and they are constantly adding more and more and more. The main idea of this is to have everything in one place. So if you want to use your favorite page builder like Elementor or Divi, and you want to use like, maybe Gutenberg and you're using WooCommerce, it has MCPs and skills for everything. Essentially, this Pro version will make everything more accurate and it'll take less stress off of Claude Fable or Claude or whatever version you're using. And here's the pricing. So they have 3 different pricing: the personal, the agency, and the lifetime. This is good for 3 domains, 1,000 websites, and then this right here is a lifetime plan. Now, you can get away with just using the free version, to be honest, but it is nice to support the developer. But I personally have a Pro subscription just because I want to help the developer because the plugin is really useful. So yeah, I just created this booking plugin myself because I didn't want to have to subscribe to something or subscribe to someone else's plugin. I can just simply make these plugins my own. Now, creating your own booking plugin, it will take you, it will take you a few hours, but I think it's worth it to get out of all these useless subscriptions. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Claude is a lot of fun. There's a lot of really creative ways to use AI with WordPress. So go knock yourself out, and I'll see all you party people later.